Welcome to CouponBet, the travel agency organizer. And in this video, I have a specific question for you. Imagine you are talking to a customer and the customer suddenly asks, "Can you call me back on the following number, 0924?" So my question is right away, do you know which phone number network that is? And if you don't, no worries. With CouponBet, you can find the answer in a matter of seconds. So first of all, what you need to do is to log in on CouponBet. Once you're logged in, you can see this is the dashboard, and what we need is the tools. So we click here on the tools tab, and what happens then is we get all the tools available. And what we need is we need to scroll down to the bottom where you can find the provider prefix checker. And in this case, we want to know which provider or telecom provider the prefix 0924 has. So let's search for that right away. All we have to do is to type in 0924, and there you are. You can see instantly this phone number prefix is from Sun Cellular, and that's very useful because now you know exactly with which phone you need to call your customer. CouponBet is really designed to help your travel agency to be more organized. And if you like this and you want to organize your travel agency, register right away for CouponBet. Go to couponbet.com and register now.